We're going to show you how to make a solar still to get clean water from the ground.
Step 1. Dig a hole. Whew, it's hot. Do you think it's deep enough yet?
Well, it's about as deep as the shovel, so I think that's about right.
Oh, it's time to move on to step 2.
Putting the container in the hole to collect fresh water. Set the container in the hole.
If you don't live somewhere hot and humid, you can help it along by adding some damp leaves.
Step 3. Cover your hole with clear plastic and weigh it down with rocks.
Soon you'll want to put in a rock in the centre of it just above the bowl to angle all the water down. Step 4. After 3 days' time, come back to see if any water has evaporated from the ground and condensed back into the pot.
Make sure to keep the sun on.
If you don't have the space or sun outside, you could always try to make one inside, and this is how.
You start with some dirty water, it's a little coffee, and then you put your jar inside and cover it with cling film. Then you put your stove on top and leave it somewhere sunny. It's really hot in here, I had to take my sweater off. It's been 2 days and we can see some water droplets on the plastic. The water has evaporated from the ground and mixed in with the air, and that's called water vapor. You can't see water vapor, but we can see it now. So, after the water vapor, the water condensed into the plastic to make water droplets. Now we're going to look and see how much water is in. There is quite a lot of water in this, more than I expected. Even though there is a few dead bugs, you should never drink it, even if there aren't any dead bugs in yours, if you ever try it. It has also been 2 days, and we're going to look at the inside one. Let's see if it's got as much water as the outside one. Wow! It doesn't have as much water as the outside one, but it still has quite a lot. And this water is cleaner than the water we started with. Now it's time for a few questions for you to think about when you do this activity. The first question is, what does the temperature have to be outside for you to do this activity? The second question is, will this experiment work differently in different countries because of their different climates? And the third question is, can you